In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ElevenLabs talk faster. If you're looking to adjust the speed of your text-to-speech output and get your project just right, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser. This can be any browser that you prefer, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Make sure that your internet connection is active and stable, as a reliable connection is key to making these changes swiftly without any hiccups. Next, you'll need to sign in to your ElevenLabs account. You can do this using your email and password. If you prefer a more streamlined method, you can also log in using Single Sign-On, or SSO, if that's an option for you. This way, you can ensure that all your projects and settings are easily accessible. Once you've logged in, navigate to the text-to-speech section of the website. This is where all the magic happens. It's your one-stop shop for transforming written text into spoken word, providing various customization options to tailor the audio output to fit your needs. As you dive into the text-to-speech page, look towards the right side of the screen. There you'll find the speed settings. This control is crucial for adjusting how fast the text is spoken. It's like a volume knob, but for speed. To make the voice speak faster, simply slide it to the right. The further right you go, the quicker the speech will be. Take your time to slide and listen to ensure it suits your desired pace. With the speed set, it's time to click on the Generate Speech button. This action tells the system to create an audio file with your selected settings. Give the system a moment to process this. Once it's done, you'll have the ability to review the audio files right there on the platform. When reviewing, pay attention to the clarity and pace of the speech to make sure it aligns with your expectations. Finally, if you're happy with the result, you have a couple of options to choose from. You can click on Download to save the audio file to your computer, which is great for future use or offline playback. Alternatively, there's an option to share the file directly from the platform, which can be a fast and efficient way to distribute the content to others or embed it into a project immediately. By following these steps, you've successfully adjusted the speed settings on ElevenLabs to enhance your text-to-speech experience. Whether you're speeding up a presentation or adjusting the pace for accessibility purposes, this tool gives you the flexibility to get it just right. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.